Optimizing pages for AI with the Schema Builder. Schema markup helps search engines and AI understand your website content, which can improve how your pages appear in search results and increase visibility online. To add schema markup to a page. Step 1. In the WebStarts editor, click the Pages tab and select the page you want to edit. Step 2. Scroll down to the Schema Builder section and click the AI Tools icon. Step 3. Review and confirm the generated details, such as your social links, services, and business logo. Step 4. Click Use Schema to apply the schema to your page. Step 5. Click on the Update button, then save your page. Now, your website will have another advantage on getting found by AI. And if you haven't already, go to WebStarts.com to build a free website today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.